Today I'm going to show you how to cornrow hair. Some people also call it cornrow and some people also call it plaiting, but I call it cornrow. So when you're going to start cornrowing, you want to know how you're going to start the braid. Sometimes you can start at an angle, sometimes you can start in the middle, or you can start at this angle. So you have three areas to start from. So today I'm going to make it very easy for you, and we're going to start in the middle. So the hair is well parted and you just want to smoothen the hair so that you don't have any tangles. You do want to detangle the hair thoroughly. So we're just going to detangle the hair thoroughly. So when you're going to do it, you can take a small section out first, like this, to help you get started. Some people can just start immediately. So when you take a small section out like this, you're going to divide the section into three as if you're going to braid the hair. So 1, 2, 3. Now, if you know how to braid, it's easy. You're just braiding and then picking up. But if you don't know how to braid, I'm going to quickly show you. So you are alternating here. So there are different cornrows on the braid, over braid, but we're going to do a simple one this time. You're going to hold the hair like this, and you're going to hold the other two like I have, like this. So you take this one, you put it under. You see how I'm moving it underneath? You put it underneath, and then you take, so you're going to take this one, take it underneath. As you're taking it underneath, you're using this finger here to pass it in, and you're rotating the middle one to the space of the one on the right hand side, like that. Then you repeat the same thing for the left hand side, and you alternate it to the middle part. So the area where you are picking up the hair, you are alternating it with the area where you are grabbing the hair. So now you want to start cornrowing. You don't want to keep on going like this, because in this case you are braiding. So you can see I'm just alternating, picking from this side, grabbing from this side, replacing it with the one we picked. So you see my hand coordination like that. So in this case, we're going to start again, because this I was doing a braid, a single braid. So remember our three parts, 1, 2, 3, like this. Now, as you're picking this one on this side, and then you're picking that one to rotate it, the next time, because you want it to lay flat, you're going to pick a little bit on this side. Okay, so you pick a little bit on this side and join it up with the one that is coming from the right hand side. So just taking a little bit on this side, grabbing it, replacing it, and as we're doing that, we're moving some from the opposite side to join the left hand side, and we're rotating it. So you're pretty much doing the same, but the difference is you're just taking the one that you want to grab, you're going to take it with the hair that is loose, and you're just going to connect it together. You see I'm connecting them together like that. And then we're going to do the same thing. So you see, as I grab the loose hair, I'm taking a little bit of the hair over here and I'm adding it in there. Okay, so we're just adding it in there. So we're rotating it. So we're going to take, so watch, we're going to take this one that is coming to the middle part, because the middle part is going to the left side. We're going to take some hair from there, grab it, and just do as if you're doing a normal plait or braid. Yeah, okay. So we're going to repeat that. Take some hair from this side, join it with that, and just repeat the process. So we're going to take hair that is loose, take the one that is from this side, add it in there, and do this. If any of you want to get this mannequin, just leave me a comment and I can drop the link to this mannequin. This mannequin is very easy to work with. I've had it for 5, 6, 7 years now, and it's so easy. So as you're going, you're just grabbing a little bit of hair on the side. You can use your finger like this to grab a little bit of hair. So you just want to grab a little bit of hair with the loose hair, and that is how it attaches. It takes a little bit of practice, but the more you do it, the easier it will be. Just switching, grabbing hair from the side, rotating, grabbing hair from the side, rotating. If you have any other request of any hair tutorials, let me know. So once you finish and there's no more hair, just do your normal braid. You can do your normal braid like this, or you can switch your hand as if you want to carry it like that and turn it underneath. You can do it like this. When you do it with your hand open like this, it makes the braid fall against the body instead of lifting up away from the body. So this is how you braid hair. Thank you so much for watching. Please join our Facebook group. Show us your progress with your hair, your kids' hair. And thank you so much for following this page. If you're not following Discovery Natural page, please follow Discovery Natural page on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel on YouTube, Discovery Natural. Everywhere, Discovery Natural, even Instagram. Thank you, and I'll talk to you all later. So this is how you do a plait or plait, a cornrow, cane roll. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.